Hey everyone, if you don't know right now, you can earn money using Freecash. It's a legit app where you can download games, complete offers, and cash out with real money. I've earned about $14 so far, and you can do the same by using my referral link in my description, or you can scan this QR code right now. When you scan the QR code or click the link in the description, and when you sign up with my link, you will get $5 for free for signing up with my code. When you sign up and cash out, I get a small percentage back to help me grow my YouTube channel. But don't worry, all of the money you cash out is yours to keep. These are all the different ways you can cash out with. So just watch this and you'll see what you can cash out, which one will be the best for you. Freecash is trusted to over 150,000 users with an excellent 4.7 star rating on Trustpilot. Let me show you some real reviews from people who have earned money and cashed out easily. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, but also use my link in the description or scan this QR code right now and start earning money today. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section, and more fun videos are coming soon this summer, so stay tuned.